Hey, this is Garrett with ULA Equipment, and if you've got one of our packs lately, you're probably aware of the removable strap system that we've added. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the differences between the standard removable top strap, additional removable Y strap, as well as the additional removable bottom straps, how to install these strap systems on your backpack, and the benefits that each strap system provides to your experience in the backcountry. Stay tuned. All of our packs ship with a removable standard top strap that will be either yellow or black depending on your colorway. To install the standard top strap, simply slide the G-hook through the webbing on the back of the pack closest to the hull loop. The main benefit of the standard top strap is additional compression at the top of the pack. We do not recommend this top strap for carrying bear canisters. The removable Y strap is a separate item and additional purchase to any pack. It features 2 G-hooks as well as webbing and a standard clip. To install the top Y strap, simply slide the G-hooks through the webbing on the back of the pack that are closest to the load lifters on most models and towards the sides of the seams on the CDT and the Photon. The removable Y strap is great for bulkier items that sit on top of the pack, and it's a best case scenario when you plan on carrying a bear canister through the backcountry. We also now offer removable bottom straps that are also a separate purchase and do not ship standard with the backpacks. To install the removable bottom straps, simply find the 4 tabs located at the bottom of the pack and slide the G-hooks through. 2 tabs will be at the bottom of the ultra stretch mesh, as well as 2 tabs on the back that meet at the seams of the back panel and the bottom panel. The bottom straps are best for bulky items like CCF pads, rigid shelter structures, and anything that you'd need to carry that wouldn't fit inside of the pack.